Hi, my name's John, and I am a machine operator, setup machine operator here at Miller Fabrication. My machine behind me is a Mazak Integrex I-400. It is a mill turn, it's full 5-axis capability. And I guess one of the things that I say I enjoy about my day is that we run production, but it's not always the same production. It's not 1,000 parts to the same day in and day out. So there's a lot of things that break up my day because I'll be setting up, multiple jobs per day. I started out on a smaller mill like this one over here, and then I moved to this machine here behind me. This machine's a little bit more advanced. That's where my experience comes into play, I guess. I've been machining now for almost 2 decades. And it was something I was interested in whenever I was younger. I had a good mechanical ability. That helps if you're thinking of getting into this type of work. We're here at the Mazak Integrex I-400 machine. It's a 5-axis machine, full 5-axis capability, and it is a mill turn. So you can do milling for the milling head here. This will rotate at any angle, and we have a main spindle here and a sub spindle back here. So basically this machine will do part complete in one setup, which makes it really nice. So for traveler work packets, and it has the part number, and along with that is a setup sheet. The setup sheet's going to give the general information for us on what program it is and the basic setup for in this machine, which will show the part in the main spindle and also the sub spindle. So whenever I get something like this, the first thing I would normally do is look at the program and pull that up. And here I have the program pulled up, and it's going to tell me what tools and stuff I'll be using. For this program, it's pretty simple. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 tools for the C1 side, main spindle side, and 1, 2, 3, 4 tools for the C2 side, sub spindle side. One thing that makes this a little bit different is this is a new program, so we'll have to be proving that out, and all that means is that we have to make sure the program does what it's supposed to and there aren't any surprises. And this machine, you have to tell it everything. It does not know what you do not tell it. So, for instance, being this is the first article, we don't have work offsets. That tells the machine where the workpiece is, which is very important. And then also, whenever you're setting up for the first run, is to have all your tool height and everything correct and set up correctly in your tool data. So this is something that I'll be doing. Right now I'm in the process of setting some tools up. A couple of the tools are already in the machine. I think right now I have left is a 1" 8 tap I have to get set up and find a collet for that, and this drill here. I just put that drill in the machine a little bit ago. Right now I'm selecting the tool that I want to see brought out to the main spindle here. And what I'm going to do here is just touch off the tool height using the presetter in the machine. And now when I tell it to measure the tool, actually I have to edit this tool. There was a tap in there beforehand. Like I said, you have to tell the machine everything. It doesn't know what you don't tell it. Generally, this is something you'll have to do with every single tool that the program requires, so it knows exactly where everything's at. And I would go back and look at this end mill. I could bring this around with the carousel. And we have a 5/8 end mill in there, ready to go. It's already touched off. So basically I have all my tools set up for this program right now.